Not financial advice, just for entertainment purposes only. Don't blame me if you lose your entire portfolio. Tallywackle asked me to do Nvidia, called me daddy. I'm a little scared. Uh, you know, to be honest, I own something called Nvda, which is a covered call, yield-backed covered call fund for Nvidia. So I do have an interest, obviously, in Nvidia's success. However, to be honest, I mean this chart's pretty tough, and we're on a I would call it decent interest, almost symmetrical. I mean, it's kind of stating the obvious, but it's fallen out of the lower range. It's had lower highs. Obviously, Nvidia's going through a lot of things right now with the whole DeepSeek thing that occurred, and also Nvidia tends to be priced to perfection. People expect it to do really well. So if Nvidia doesn't have like really great news tomorrow, I imagine it's more likely than not going to fall. Once again, not financial advice, just for entertainment purposes only. And you can see I drew an anchored VWAP here. This is the highest where it has been. And so it's lost the VWAP. It's lost the 55, which is this blue line, which is institutional support. It lost it a couple of days ago, which is already a sign. The 8 and the 13 EMA have crashed through the 55, always a bad sign. And so overall, I mean, it's kind of indicating it's on a downward trend, right? RSI is downward trending. There hasn't been a ton of great news about the stock. All right, so I mean, if I think if I had to guess what was going to happen, I mean, there's a better chance it's going to collapse. That is, it's going to uh, rise tomorrow after earnings. If you're going to play Nvidia and you're going to buy options, which most knuckleheads on Wall Street bets does, including me, Um, you could protect yourself a little bit by just doing some spreads, right? Where rather than just buying just like a 140 weekly, hoping that's going to hit, you could buy a 135, sell the 140. Maybe you don't get all the upside, but you have some protection, you minimize some of your cost, and you protect yourself from IV crush, right? But once again, I'm not telling you what to do, right? I don't want to be responsible for whatever happens to your finances, but it just doesn't look too great, right? I mean, we've been in this downward trend. It hasn't broken this trend line at all recently. It's broken through this. They're a very good sign. If we look at the anchored volume profile after this date, you'll see that most people are holding it at the 133, and we've lost that too, right? So this was kind of like an ascending triangle, and this was the top part of the ascending triangle. And for a while, it was bouncing along it. You can see it kind of tapped it once here. It was trying to it broke above it, and then it lost it. So, do you see any indicator here that's saying things are going well for NVIDIA? I guess that's my question. I mean, sadly, I don't. But once again, this is just for entertainment purposes only. So I would be careful. If I'm wrong, I hope I'm wrong. I hope you make a bunch of money. Um, but you know what some people do is that they don't. I don't Wall Street bets wants to trade earnings, but traders that I've noticed they wait for the news to come out and they just trade after hours. They just trade on shares. And so you could still get into it after hours, tomorrow, but you're just trading on shares. And I'm sure you have a tiny account, so you can probably buy like 10 shares or something. I'm just joking. I'm totally joking, dude. Anyway, I wish you the best of luck tomorrow. I hope NVIDIA has good news because, once again, I'm in this whole show. I am in NVDY for the covered call income. So I'm trying to build passive income, and yeah, I'm not doing too great. I'm down. I think I'm in at like $23 or something. So if I factor in the money that I've received from my monthly dividend income, I'm ahead. But share price wise, I'm down also. So we're kind of in this boat together. Good luck tomorrow. Once again, not financial advice. I hope this helps in some way. Take care.